Okay, so this is the demonstration that I did in class to review the differences between your end diastolic volume, your end systolic volume, and your stroke volume. So you want to think of this 10 cc syringe as your ventricle. This red water represents the blood. So when we draw the blood up into the syringe, this is your ventricle filling with blood. So I'm going to pull it all the way up till I get to the top, which is 10 cc's. So then we're done filling. So 10 cc's represents our end diastolic volume. So it's the volume of blood in the ventricle at the end of ventricular diastole. So then our ventricle contracts, and when it does that, it ejects a volume of blood into the aorta, which is my beaker. When it's done contracting, there's going to be blood left inside that ventricle. That is your end systolic volume. So in this case, I have 5 cc's left over. What's in my beaker represents the volume of blood that's ejected from the ventricle. So that's your stroke volume. So that's also 5 cc's. Okay, so their end diastolic volume was 10 cc's. We had a stroke volume of 5 cc's. So that leaves 5 cc's in the ventricle as our end systolic volume.